Okay. See the fucking thing.
Friggin' gear don't want to go all the way up.
Okay. No. Flip it around, see if you have any mud in there.
No, it's not. It's the shitty wires are bending.
It's tough keeping an eye on this thing. It's hard to see the thing. See, I think I lost. I can't see a damn thing.
I'm coming in nice and low. So.
Okay, yeah, I gotcha. That was nice. Scary but nice. Wow. I'm gonna rip the elevator off on that one.
Trying.
Alright, now I got my eye on it. Okay, there we go. Nice. Okay, oh boy. Oh yeah, I got that. I almost think I felt it too. Oh.
There's some rudder.
Yeah. Don't forget your fuel bill.
Oh, I know. I'm gonna start my landing approach very soon.
Okay.
The gear went up.
Oh, that's nice. Hopefully it comes down.
It'll them down. It's them cheap springs.
Yeah.
Or them cheap 256 rods.
Hey, yo.
Okay.
All right. Which way you landing?
Same way.
That you took off?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that reflection, it's so hard to see the screen.
Good girl.
Yeah, nice. Good.